Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a full face makeup tutorial as I have promised to you guys in my Instagram story. So today I've chosen the brand Blue Heaven and I'm going to use all the Blue Heaven products except I do not have the mascara of Blue Heaven that was out of stock on Nykaa. So let's start with the video now. So first we are going to start with the foundation. I have already prepped and primed my face. I have not used a product by Blue Heaven. So this foundation is called as Florina Collection Silky Smooth Foundation. I'll show. And it says that it is primer, concealer, sunscreen and foundation in one. Wow, sounds great. I have never really used this, so let's see how it turns out. This foundation retails for ₹175 only, and at ₹175 what they're giving is just awesome. Just take a look. So let's just shake it properly before using so that the water and the foundation get mixes properly, and I hope the shade matches me, fingers crossed. So I will just pump a little bit on the top of my hand. I have taken 2 to 3 pumps. So it is not that much thick, neither it is too liquidy. So I will just warm it up here, and I have taken my favorite beauty blender. I always use this, and I'm just going to apply this first with my fingers, and then I'm going to blend it with this. Look like a ghost now, so now it's time for blending. This is quite white for my skin, I think, but don't worry, we are going to work this out. I hope this doesn't leave some white patches. Oh, by the way, I have already damped my beauty blender so that my foundation blends well and stays for a quite longer time. You can also do this. Coming to the coverage is not medium even. It is something sheer, like too sheer. So this is what it has turned out. This is the outer packaging. It is written Blue Heaven here, and here it is written Xpression. Okay, here it is written Xpression in a really cool font. So its packaging is completely blue, and here is some cool fonts going on. Here is the concealer. I don't think the shade will match me properly, so you need to circulate it like this and it will come out. And fingers crossed, let's just do this. Ooh, what is this? The applicator is quite problematic. Not apply properly. Like, how can you apply properly with such a oval shaped? I don't know. It will break easily. It is quite soft. It is gliding away, but the color, why do you do this to me every time? So this is the concealer and this is my face. Oh no, what should I do now? This is even making my dark circles look real bad. Don't do this to me. I will just go on the top of my eyelids with this because it will help there, just to prep this for the eyeshadow so that the colors come out nicely. So my face looks this white now, but we are going to do something. So I've got this Blue Heaven Xpression pancake which says that it is 100% waterproof also. Wow. And this cost me rupees 81 or 50. I'm not sure about the price. All the prices and the shades will be mentioned below, so you can check that out if you need. So the packaging is like this. Like Blue Heaven has everything in blue. This is just a pancake. So and let me just open this for you guys. So it has a sponge at the top so that it doesn't get greasy often. And after removing this, we have this pancake which is covered by a plastic kind of thing. If you need to use the pancake, you will have to remove this. So let's just remove this. I've got 2 shades darker pancake for me because there were no bronzer or contour for my face. So I'm just going to take my brush. Let me tell you that no applicators are from Blue Heaven, just the products are from Blue Heaven. So over my face, I will just dust it with my brush and I will remove the extra like this. Okay. Just with a light hand, just brush it off so that it just kind of balances the whiteness and match to the areas which you think are extra white. We are also going to use this as a contour. So my face now kind of looks balanced, like not proper, but kind of it has come to a stage where it can be managed. So I will just take another brush, this brush, because I know this is a foundation brush, but I will use this for contouring because as this is a powder compact kind of thing, so it will be easy to use this with such a brush. I hope that makes sense. So this is what my face looks after applying this as my contour, and I think that the results are pretty nice. Though the compact is quite yellow for me, I'm not that much yellow. I thought that it will be darker than this, but it is not. It is somewhat in the yellow side, so that's a con. But I think it has done much good than the concealer had done to me. So it is a lifesaver. And then I'm just going to bronze these areas of my face more so that my face doesn't look all flat. It has some dimensions to it. Just going to brush some product here. Just dust off the excess and apply. Just apply it like this in circular motion. Just go round, 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 round. I'm also going to go on the temple of my face so that my face looks all chiseled for today. I'm also going to hide my double chin. And just some contouring on my nose so that it also has some dimensions. So this is my face after the final application of the bronzer and compact, whatever you like to say, but I have used it as a bronzer only. So I think it looks much nice now. I won't say nice, but it looks much proper now, and it has also kind of balanced the whiteness of my face. So I am happy with that. So next I've got my favorite product, which is a blush. Just take a look. I will just show you the color, and the color is so good, like so good. the packaging is awesome as usual. I've told you guys that Blue Heaven really works in its packaging. And let me just show you the color ones. It opens up like this, and just look at it. It has a plastic on the top of it, and just look at the color, guys. It is such a good color. It is not absolutely pink and not absolutely on the dark pink side. Look at this, like it is such a ombre color, and it will look fantastic on your cheeks. So I have again taken the powder brush, and I will just go on a light hand with the blush. I will just dust off the excess and just smile and apply. So you guys can see the difference, I guess. So next we will start with the eyes. So I have picked this Blue Heaven Eye Magic Instant Eyeshadow. Just look at this. The outer packaging is like this, and then we will open this. As you guys can see, I have already used this palette once. So the colors look kind of distressed, but they are in a good condition that I can show it to you at least. So the colors are beautiful, and it also comes with a brush like this, but it is of no use because I personally do not use it. It's easy to apply it with your own eye brush and not with this, because this does not help to spread the color and keeps it in one place only. So coming to the pigmentation is not at all good, like not at all. You can work to some extent with the darker colors, but with the lighter colors are just of no use. So I will just take the darker color from the palette, this one. You can also take this one. Both this one are the darker, but this is the darkest. So I will take this. So as long as you are not blending it, the color will seem nice and it will look good for half an hour at least, but after that there will be just nothing on your eyes. So I am just applying layering, so I'm just layering up the product now, like as much as I can. All the eyeshadows have some shimmer in them, which is a good thing. I love shimmery eyeshadows, but I also love the matte ones. I love eyeshadows actually, all of them. So as you guys can see, I have some fallouts here, so I'm just going to take my buffing brush and dust them off. Just don't try to apply your fingers here, otherwise they can stick on your face, which is not a good thing at all. And after that I will just take the blending brush and I will just blend everything so that there are no harsh lines or edges on my eyes. So make sure you do this. But I am not going in the color because if I go in the color, there will be nothing left. I will just go in and apply this shade, this light shade, just to highlight my eyes. I will just apply this in the inner corners of my eyes so that it gets highlighted. So we will take the eye game a level up with this eye pen by Blue Heaven. This eye pen is a game changer. Just look at its tip, guys. Such a perfect tip. So I will just line my eyes. I will just apply it close to my lash line, and I will be creating a wing liner today. Like this eye pen is so good. I'll also go in my lower lash line. So you guys can see what it has done to my eyes. Like, I am loving it. But I've always loved this pen, and this is my second one, I guess. And this is also very cheap. Like, this cost for rupees 180 or 200, I guess. Like, it is within 200 rupees. If you guys can see the color is so nice. The color is actually near to the color that Nykaa has in, I think, Mischievous Plum. It just adds so much glam to the look, and I think without the concealer everything worked just fine for me. But I don't know about you guys, so you guys make sure that you do a skin test or some swatch test before applying these products. That's all for today. If you guys want to see more such videos, please let me know in the comment box below, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. Bye.